Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 1% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Factories across the United States, Europe and Asia struggled for momentum in July as flagging global demand and China's strict COVID-19 restrictions slowed production, surveys showed, likely adding to fears of economies sliding into recession. Remittance network Ripple has sold more than $400 million worth of XRP in the second quarter of 2022, emphasizing the surge in demand for the XRP token and its on-demand liquidity service. Tesla Inc. has signed new long-term deals with two of its existing Chinese battery materials suppliers, the latest move by automakers to secure supplies amid intensifying competition.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA interest rate decision will be released at 0430 GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.